I think the parts fairy came to see us last night. This is like Christmas right here. I don't know what all we got. Let's check it out. Alright, YouTube. New bumper fillers came in for the rear. Got a brand new bumper filler for the front, for the Euro grill, or Euro clip, sorry. We also got us a brand new grill for it. Let's get back on this trunk. Alright, YouTube, we got our trunk stripped down, cleaned up, ready for some primer. I'm gonna go ahead and go mix some up. We're gonna get this thing sprayed. Alright, we got our epoxy primer laid down. So far we're looking real good. We're waiting on this to dry so we can put some high build on it. We're going to start getting this roof ready. Still got to sand a lot of that over there in the middle. Got a few more places I need to block. I found a few more low spots. Not too bad. Knock them out real quick. Try and get this thing in primer also. Got it all ready to go, all except for masking. I'm gonna mask up that hole in the sunroof. I'm not too concerned about overspray because all the interior has to come out of it. We'll be redoing that. That'll be later on down the road. But I'm gonna get this thing masked off. Then we're gonna spray some primer. Alright, we got everything masked up that we're gonna mask up. About to go mix up some primer and get a coat of primer on it real quick. Alright, YouTube. Moment we've been waiting for. Finally got some primer on the roof. There's still a few imperfections, very small ones. But it came out really nice. Y'all let me know what you think, man. This thing came out pretty doggone slick. Leave me a comment, see what you think about it.